Okay, good afternoon everybody and welcome to Jacob's Vision. For those who like Ryan, very good. Ayan, si Ryan ang birthday boy natin ngayon. I'd like to request Ryan and the family po, si Daddy at si Mami, is to stay here. Ryan and the kids also. Yung mga kids natin meron ng name tags, dito muna tayo. Okay, come on, hurry up. Very good. Okay, we have our smart kids, huh? Very good, that's nice. Before that, I'd like to introduce myself. I am your Kuya Bernie and I will be hosting the party. Bernie pa. Okay, okay. Okay na ba? Well, reflect tayo, no? Oo, magkakamukhaan talaga sila. Anyway, yung kids natin, how would you like to get your party hats? Then put it on para mas magandang tingnan, okay? Kuha tayo yung party hat natin. Si Mikey. Mikey, you go get the party hat there. And para mas magandang tingnan, kuha muna kayo ng party hat. Ayan. Okay, come on, hurry up. Yes, ma'am. Okay, yung kid natin, si, what's her name? Don't be shy. Hindi siya nga shy, scared. Scared siya. Okay, that's nice. We have Dennis here, Vincent, si Ken, G.I., si Mikey. How about that kids here? What's the name? Brian and si Byron. Okay. Kids, we're going to make a big circle ngayon. Tapos kakantahan natin si birthday boy natin, si Ryan, ng birthday song. Okay? Come on, hurry up. Let's make a big circle. Si G.I. Dito na muna. Tsaka si Mikey. And, wow, the two kids there, they got no name tags at all. JJ, anyway. Okay, let's make a big circle. Big circle muna tayo. Si G.I. dito muna hawak kay Dennis. Oh, don't be shy. Just wear your sweet and smile. Your, cool words lang. Okay, ayan. Meron na tayong big circle na. Medyo, would you mind to move backward? Si Ken, si Dennis, si Vincent. Ayan. Galing naman tatlo natin ito. So they're very active. Okay. Yung kids ba natin ngayon, marunong kumanta ng birthday song? Ha? Marunong kayo? Yes. Okay. How about the kids there? Marunong kayong kumanta ng birthday song? Opo, very good. Okay, lakasan natin ngayon, ha? Kasi since this is Ryan's first birthday, ang parents niya, sila mami at si daddy, they wanted this to be remarkable and, well, if not, memorable. Okay, kakantahan natin sila ngayon, si Ryan ng birthday song, ha? Dapat yung kids natin, marunong kumanta, din malakas. Okay na ba kayo? Ready na? Kids, are you ready? Yes! Very good. Okay, mapwede na yun. Ganyan kalakas, ha?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Clap your hands, kids.
Happy birthday to you.
Party people at the back, clap your hands again. Kasi kunti lang yung kids natin.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
More.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ryan, very good. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Ryan. Very good. Thank you very much, party people at the back. And this time, I'd like to ask the parents, instant ba? Impromptu ba? Wishes for, wishes, marami yan, not just one. Una po natin unang project natin. Ha?
Walang produkto.
Unang project, anyway. We just hope, well, lalaki si Ryan ng kasing gwapo ni Daddy at saka kasing talino ato ni Mami. Okay, Ma'am, some wish for the kids? si Mami, good health with the kids. Very good. And about si Daddy? Okay, same daw po. Palakpakan naman natin si Daddy at saka si Mami. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mami and Daddy. And si Ryan will going to stay muna sa back. Kids, are you ready for our party games? Ha? Asan yung mga kids natin? Dito muna kayo. Hindi naman kayo si Mami at saka si Daddy. Okay, are you ready for our party games? Yes. Sabay-sabay tayo. Lakasin natin, ha? Okay. Party kids, are you ready? Okay, if you're ready, let's party. And for our first game, I'd like to have an icebreaker game. Since marami pa atang inaantay si Mami at si Daddy. Okay? Sino nakakaalam ng Bring Me game? Okay. The kids there for? And how about the two there? Okay, si Kent muna. Kent, come here. Tanungin muna kita kung ano yung pagkakaalam mo sa Bring Me game. Sige nga. Sabihin mo kay Brian yan at kay Byron. Mukhang hindi sila nagtaas ng kamay. And same thing, si Mikey at saka yung mga kids natin sa back. Sabihin mo yung anong alam mo sa Bring Me game.
Pag anong sinabi dadalhin?
Very good. Ayun, palapakan naman natin si Kent. Ayun, no? Galing, ha? Mukhang si Kent talagang halatang ano, ha? Halatang party boy, right? Okay. Let's keep the ball rolling. For our first item. Anyway, para maintindihan nila, ganito lang yun, ano? Kung anong sinabi kong dadalhin niyo sa akin, unahan to. Kung sino makakapagdala ng thing na yun, ng bagay na sinasabi ko, mananalo ngayon ng prizes. I have a lot of prizes here. Ha? Special prize. So, pabilisan lang to. Dapat isa lang ang mananalo. Okay, ready na ba yung mga kids natin? Yes, you're ready? Brian, Byron, are you ready? Yes. So, our first item. Tada-tada. I'd like you to bring me a new 1 peso coin. Yung bago, ah. Yung bago. I'd like the new 1 peso coin. Yung maliit. There we have our winner and Vincent got it. Sorry, wala kayo. Okay, thank you very much, Vincent. Ang galing-galing naman, ang bilis ni Vincent, ha? Ayun, mayroon nang naglabasan na coins ngayon. Malamang meron na. Okay, di ba? Marami na dyan. Marami na bang naglabasan. Para magamit natin yung lumabas na coins, sino makakapagdala sa akin dito ng 5 pesos and 75 cents? Okay. Ready? Sino kaya? 5 pesos and 75 cents? Thank you very much, kay what's the girl's name, ha?
Julian.
Si Julian. Okay, thank you very much, Julian. At saka si Dennis. Kaya lang yung sinabi ko dapat 5 pesos and 75 cents. Ang dinala niyo is 5 pesos lang. Okay na rin yun. Thank you very much sa inyo. Ayun. So, meron na rin si Dennis, si Julian, at saka si Kent nanalo. Yung dalawa doon, wala pa kayo. Okay, kung wala pa kayo, who could bring me here? Your mommy's red lipstick. Come on, hurry up, and there we have it again. Bilis talaga si Kenta. Okay, thank you very much. Red ba yan? Okay, thank you. Okay, nakita ko na yun. And since nagdala si Kent ng, what is it? Red lipstick ni Mami, how about bringing me your daddy's longest belt? Daddy's belt. Yung belt ni Daddy. Come on, hurry up. Okay, I need 5 here. 5. Kailangan ko ng 5. I got 1 here from Julian. Again, what was her name? Si Marjorie. Marjorie and si G.I. 3 more, kids. 3 more. Hurry up. Ayan, sino kayang mananalo ngayon? There, si Daddy from Victoria. Okay, thank you. Naigit pa, ha? Soel, wala na ba? Sino pa? Sino pa? Sino pa? Si. Okay, sa tingin niyo sino? Dali. Dali. Ito ba? Kaninong bag ang pinakamaba? Kanino? This one. Kanino to? Kanino to? Kaninong bag po to? Ayun, kay Marjorie. Thank you very much, Marjorie. Palapakan naman natin si Daddy at si Victoria, rather. Okay, thank you very much. At sa nagdala si GI, may consolation prize ka rin, GI. Thank you.
Oh, you have a price now.
Sino pa? And si little girl, Marjorie. Ayun, thank you very much. Hindi masyadong hindi malaki ang agot ng belt ni father ni Marjorie at saka si father ni Victoria. Okay, mukhang pareho ang size ng chan. Okay, for our last item, do you have to say last item? Huh? Not yet. Okay, second to the last item, sino makakapagdala sa akin ng red balloon? Okay, red balloon, come on, hurry up! Hurry up! And do we have a winner? Yes, we have a winner. It's GI. Thank you very much, GI. Yan, meron na tayong winner. Yung bilis-bilis talaga ni G. Ayun, yung ilipan yan, ha? Just be careful. Okay. Ayan, GI. Thank you very much. Sakit daw, sakit, ha? Okay, for our last item. This will be our last item, tapos we're going to proceed sa ating second game. Okay? For our last item, sino makakapagdala sa akin ng isang pares na puting medyas? Pair of white socks. Okay. Pair of white socks. Okay. Dapat tinatanggal. Okay. Ayan, katulad nito, winner na. And it's Byron. Ang galing-galing naman ni Byron. Sino nagtanggal na Byron? Sino nagtanggal niya?
Mama ko.
Si Mama. Ayun. Galing, ha? Mamang sinabi ko sa inyo, puting medyas. Hindi stockings. Si Mom naman, sinali stockings. Okay, that was our last item. And for our next game, yung mga kids, dito muna tayo. Come on. Hurry up. We're going to have our next game. Okay, si Vincent, si Dennis. How about the other kid? Asan siya? Brian! Oo, meron kayo yan, mamaya, di ba? Very good. Okay, kids, makinig tayo, ha? Captain Shakey's is very much concerned of our environment. Masyado si Captain Shakey's mapangalaga sa ating kapaligiran. Okay? Mapangalaga sa ating kapaligiran. At anong napapansin niyo sa ating kapaligiran? Anong nanonotice niyo sa ating environment? Okay? Si Ken?
Maganda.
Maganda. Very good. Palapakan naman natin si Ken. Ayun, nakikita pa rin yung kagandahan ng environment natin. Wala bang mga kamay dyan yung party people natin? Thank you very much. Yun lang ang trabaho ninyo, di ba? Tagpalakpak. Okay, dinapil si Gorgeous na later. Anyway, thank you very much. Maganda. Nakikita ni Ken na maganda yung environment natin. Ikaw, Dennis, ano nakikita mo sa environment natin? Ano nakikita mo sa Mother Earth natin? Ba si Vincent muna, Vincent?
Malinis.
Malinis. Malinis pa ba yun, okay?
Medyo marunong.
Yun, nag-contradict kayo ngayon. Si Vincent, ang sabi niya, malinis. Ang sabi ni G.I., medyo marumi na, no? Okay, ganito lang yun, ano? Napapansin niyo ba na pag umuulan kahit ambon lang, bumabaha? Ha? Malinis pa ba yun? Maganda pa ba yun? Okay, ano kayo nangyayari ngayon sa environment natin? Nasisira na. Tumulumi,
Pumapangit.
Pumapangit,
Hindi na gumagana.
Hindi na rin gumagana, pumapangit na. Okay, NGI?
Sisira.
Nasisira na. Yun lang yun, ha? Isa lang yun. Nanuruwin na yung environment natin. And since si Captain Shake is very much concerned of our environment, mukhang apat lang yung kids natin dito, apat yung 3 kids there. Dito muna kayo, Brian. Oo. Ayun, si Brian, mabait nito eh. Okay, dito muna tayo, ha? Ayun, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina. Since Captain Shakes is very much concerned about our environment, ang gusto niyang mangyari ngayon, mag-preserve natin yung environment. Katulad na lang ng mga, sige, example ko ha. Ano yung napapansin niyo, bakit bumabaha? Ano ang rason bakit bumabaha? Of course, palapakan naman natin si Vincent. Oo nga naman, di ba? Hindi magpa-flood pag wala siyang ulan. Pag mainit ang araw, walang flood, right? Okay, tama yan. At about sa Ken, anong rason mo bakit bumabaha? Okay, nag-iisa pa si Ken sa GI? Very good. Palapakan din naman natin sa GI. Ayun. Actually, ang reason bakit bumabaha tayo dito, compared with, dito tayo sa city, kaya parang tayong bumabaha, compare natin sa mga provinces, except Lahar, except Pampanga, yun, kasi Lahar na yun. Sa kanila doon, pag umulan, kahit bumagyo, hindi ganun yung baha. Kasi meron pa silang enough trees, okay? Si Captain Shakes is leading a tree planting project wherein yung mga kids, kung sino gustong sumama, of course, sina Brian, si Byron, kay Lati, kasama, kaya lang may problema siya. Hindi siya pwede makapag-tree planting project unless wala siyang dalang seedlings. Alam niyo yung seedlings, yun yung tinatanim natin, di ba? Yun yung kailangan natin itanim para sa tree planting project. Okay, ang problema niya ngayon is to really look for the 5 cutout seeds. Yes, the 5 cutout seeds. And yung cutout seeds natin, andito lang sa loob ng vicinity niya. Okay, yung cutout seeds natin, andito na daw. Andito na nga daw sa ano. Andito lang sa vicinity natin. Minsan nasa tables, minsan nasa chair. All you're going to do, kids, is to just look for it. Kung sino makahanap nun, we're going to reach the prize. Okay? Ready? Go! There! Meron na nakakakuha. And it is not kids. There, we have Vincent, we have Byron. How about other kids? How about other kids? Actually, we have 5 cutouts there. Very good, yes. JJ. Okay, so we got 4 here. One more, one last seat. Asa na? Nawawala. Pag hindi nakuha ngayon yan, hindi si Captain Shakes. Mag-trip natin, brother. There, si GI completes the 5. Okay, si Mikey. Okay, thank you very much. Si Mikey, si Brian, si Byron, Vincent at saka si JJ ang nakakuha ng seats natin. Okay, thank you very much, Byron. Makakasama ka na ngayon sa tree planting project ni Brian. Ayan, Brian, ni Captain Shaggy. Mikey, thank you very much. And Vincent, galing-galing naman. Okay? JJ, you like this? Asan naman? Thank you very much. You give this. Okay, thank you very much. Ayun, palapakan naman natin yung mga kids natin muna. Party people. Ayun, ang galing. May response. Thank you very much for the response. Anyway, hindi pa ako natatapos kanina since sinabi ko nga may tree planting project si Captain Shakes. And we have our special guest na natin ngayon. Our special guest for Ryan's birthday celebration is no other than Captain Shakes. Wow, very good. Okay. Hi, Captain Shakes. Okay, say hi muna kay Ryan. That's our birthday boy. Come on. Yan, yun yung birthday boy natin. There we have our special guest, Captain Shakes, and mag-hi siya kay Ryan. Ryan, rather. Si Ryan Lawrence. You are a big man. Okay. Buti pang celebrity, ano? Pinagkakaguluhan, okay? can just have your seats first. Ngayon, I'll be asking Captain Chekis kung anong mga meron siya ngayong dala. Okay? Tingnan muna natin. Tapos mamaya tatawagin ko rin kayo sa ating games pa after this. Okay, Captain Chekis, what do you have for our birthday boy? What do you have? Ano? Asan ang birthday boy natin? Yeah! Meron daw siyang something for our birthday boy. Okay, something that, natatakot. Hindi naman siya natatakot. There. Hindi siya scared. There. Nabigla lang sa'yo kasi mukha ka daw santo eh. Oo, ayan. Okay, give that, kayo, right? Ayan, no? Thank you very much, Captain Shakey. And what more? What more do you have? What? What is it? Kids, panuorin daw natin siya. He'll be dancing. Ano daw kayang sasayawin? Okay, marunong ka pag sumayaw. Sige. Si Captain Shakey, ayan. We'll be dancing for the tune of Macarena.
Dami na kukuha na rin Macarena. Hey, Macarena. Macarena tiene niño que se llama ya Cañito Ventorito. Enamora de Macarena de muchacho. Sé de tu amigo. Macarena tiene niño que se llama ya Cañito Ventorito. Enamora de Macarena de muchacho. Sé de tu amigo. Dame na kukuha na rin.
Okay, Captain Shakey, it's time for them to look for a partner. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, Captain Shakey, you can just look for a partner. Okay, ako na lang pipili ha. Si Brian, marunong sumayaw yan, di ba? Come on, Brian, dance with Captain Shakey. Come on. Huwag nang mahiya. Ayun, galing naman sumayaw eh. Kunyari lang yun. Hey, Dan! Si Dennis there. Dennis, si Kenneth, si G.I. Ayan, G.I. I know, you know how to dance. I think you're very good in dancing. Come on, come on. Dennis, si Vincent, si Ken. Ang birthday boy natin. Sige nga, si Ryan. There, meron akong nakita. Captain Shakey, come on. Ayun, no? Ayun, marunong sumayaw yan. Sige, come on. There. Palapakan mo natin siya. And then, see, ang galing. Carlia. Wow. Scarlett, ang galing, oh.
Alegría mo sa pena. Dami na ang kwento, alegría Macarena. Hey, Macarena! Dami na ang kwento, alegría Macarena. Cuerpo pa dar la alegría mo sa pena. Dami na ang kwento, alegría Macarena. Hey, Macarena!
Wow, how about the big round of applause para kay Scarlett at saka kay Captain Shaky. Thank you very much, Scarlett. Thank you very much, Captain Shaky. Yung mga kids muna natin, dito muna tayo. We're going to sing for the last time a happy birthday song para sa ating birthday boy for his candle blowing. Okay, come on. We're going to sing for our Captain Shaky, stay here. Stay with the family. Okay? Stay there. Ayun, hanap. Yung kids, ha? Yung pagkanta natin, dapat lively ang dating, ha? And I'd like to request our party people at the back just to sing along with the kids since kunti lang yung kids natin. Ha? Sana naman malakas din yung mga kanta ninyo. Okay? Ready na? Wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Again, clap your hands. Come on.
To you.
Party people, clap your hands and sing along with the kids.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
More, come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Very good. Okay, before si Ryan mag-blow ng candle, how would you like the kids, how the kids and the party people at the back to shout a happy birthday, Ryan? Dapat shout, ha? As in, ready? 1, 2, shout!
Happy birthday, Ryan!
Okay, thank you very much. And, Mami, pwede na ho mag-blow ng candle. Dala-dala ho natin ang wish natin. Good health for Ryan. Thank you. Palapakan naman natin si Ryan. Ayan. Okay. More. Thank you very much, kids. You can just get back to your seats now. And I'll be asking some special people here. Atin sa apo natin. Okay, baka meron tayong wish sa apo natin. Okay, sir. Wish po natin sa apo natin.
Sige, happy birthday, Ryan.
Okay, palapakan naman natin si Lolo. Thank you very much, sir. Grandfather. And how about the titas here? Tita? Yeah, tita naman. Some wish for the kids. Okay. Don't be shy. Just don't be shy, ma'am. Ano wish po natin para kay Ryan? Come on, ma'am.
Long life.
Long life. Very good. Palapakan naman natin si Tita. Ayan. Ang galing-galing naman. Okay. The Shakey's Whimsyland naman, ang wish nila para kay Ryan is to become a future leader of the Philippines. If not the president, at least maging future leader siya. Okay? Thank you very much. Ayun. Okay, okay na yan, JJ. Don't be scared. Keep the camera. JJ, don't be scared. picture muna kayo. Oo, magbabay. Okay, say bye-bye first sa ating birthday boy there, ha? Si Ryan, say bye-bye there. Ayun. And sa mga kids natin, bye-bye muna kay Captain Shakis. Wave your hands. Of course. Bye-bye. Thank you very much, Captain Shakis, for gracing Ryan's first birthday. Okay? First birthday celebration. Thank you very much, Captain Shakis, and see you next time.
I've got to be the biggest man you ever seen. So get with it. We're coming down,
Happy birthday, Ryan!
You know what this thing is. Need a little bump and grind for this. So get with it.
Nandito kami din naman.
our last game for you, and after that, I'm going to have a game for our titas and titos there. Okay? Yung mga kids natin, dito muna tayo. Come on. Plastic, wala? Walang delisyo. Delisyoso, wala. Okay, thank you very much. And yung kids natin dyan, tapos na kaya. Yun, ang galing-galing talaga ni Brian, ha? Isang ganun ko lang there. Si Scarlett at saka si Janice here. Very good, ha? Ang galing-galing si Erica. Okay, let's just make a big circle again. And this time, big circle, big circle. Okay, big circle. Erica, Scarlett, dito. Scarlett. How old are you, Scarlett?
9.
9. Okay, about si Erica, how old are you, Erica? 7. Okay? Hawak kamay muna, Brian, sa kabudya, yeah? Erica. You move backward, Dennis, a little bit. Thank you very much. Okay, bibitaw-bitaw na tayo. Galing-galing ng circle natin, ano? Ang ganda ng circle. Okay, this time, ang gagawin ng mga kids ngayon, pawalay kaya natin yung ano. Okay, I call this game a dance and grab an egg contest. Dance and grab an egg contest. How is it? Simple lang yun. Ganito lang yan, ha? When you hear the music playing, you have to dance along with the music. Okay, the dance kayo sa music natin, ha? Pag nag-stop ang music, you have to grab one egg. Okay, take note, one egg. And how many are you there? 7. Okay, 7 kayo. Remember, kids, remember. You have to dance first before dropping an egg. Okay, dapat makita namin kung paano kayo sumayaw. And, well, para pakita naman natin sa mga party people natin kung paano kayo kagaling sumayaw. Okay? You just only have to dance and grab an egg. Kukuha ako ngayon, since 7 kayo, I'll get 2 eggs para 5 ang may iwan right after the beat. Okay? Right after the music, 5 ang may iwan. But before that, you have to dance. Okay lang yun. Kids, are you ready? Are you ready, kids? Kids, are you ready? Very good. That's nice, huh? And, you feel like dancing? Yes? Dance. Very good. Come on, dance, dance. Dance party. Remember, when the music stops, you have to drop one egg. Kung sinong dalawa ang eggs na hawak, eliminated na sa sagip. Okay, dahan-dahan lang muna tayo kasi kakakain lang natin. Anong sinabi mo? When the music stops, it is the time for you to grab an egg. Sinabi ko, ready, and dance. So, dance muna. Okay, right. And grab an egg. 1, 2. Who has no egg? Okay, thank you very much, Brian, for joining. Thank you very much. Meron ka? Wala. Okay, thank you very much. Yan yung prize ni Brian. Kay Brian yan. And si Ken, thank you very much. And Dennis. So we have 5 kids remaining and we are Scarlett, Erica, Byron at GIN, Vincent. Dito tayo sa gitna. Okay? Ilagay ulit natin yung videos. Very good. Then you have to move a little bit back. A little bit backward. Thank you very much. Again. Later ka na naman yan. Oo, after that. Thank you very much. Yes, ha? Okay. Kukuha ko naman ng dalawa para 3 na maiwan. Ha? Tingnan natin ngayon kung sino yung magaling ng sumayaw, mabilis pa. Okay? Party kids, are you ready? Yes? Dance! Rhythm of the night, dance! 2, and Bumet Noe. They are Vincent, thank you very much for joining, and si Erica. So we have 3 kids left. They are Scarlett, Byron, at saka si GI. I'll get 2 ngayon. Remember, 2 ah. Okay, isa na lang muna. I'll get 1. Dalawang may iwan. Okay, sino kaya ngayon? Sino kaya? You stay here, Scarlett. Si Byron, you stay here. No, yan, ganyan, triangle. No more here, Carlo. Okay, no more circle, then the triangle. Yung tatlong kids natin, ready ka ba kayong sumayaw? Oh, ganun na lang. Wala na yung boses. Okay, ready? Dance! Come on, dance! I'm dancing here. Okay, move your body, come on, dance! You can dance! Ayan, ang bilis ng sounds natin, ha? Dapat bilis din sa'yo. Ready, dance! 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 And babalik, 1! Thank you very much. Byron, ayun, ang galing-galing naman Byron, ha? Okay, thank you very much, Byron. So we have 2 kids remaining and they are si GI at saka si Scarlett. Dito ka na muna, GI. Okay. Palapakan muna natin yung dalawang kids natin. Ang galing-galing, ha? They're just a good dancer, but mabilis din sila. Okay. Ready? You have to dance, Macarena. Miss Macarena, tsaka si Mr. Macareno. Okay, dance. More. Move your body. Okay, and let's give them a round of applause. Sila pong dalawa ang nanalo. Ayun, pinasayaw ko lang sila eh. Ang galing. Palapakan naman natin yung dalawang kinsa, si Jens and Scarlett. Okay, thank you very much for the cooperation. And thank you very much, Scarlett. Okay, this time I'd like to request our 3 girls there. Ma'ams, we have our game for you. And who else? Sino pa po yung gustong sumali? I'll be needing 4 na lang. Sila po dalawa. Yes, ma'am. Okay, Gina's here. Si Maming naka-glasses there. Ma'am Gina's here. At saka si Maming naka-sleeveless. Oho. Alam mo, naririnig ko ako. Okay na lang. Okay, anyway, paubahin na lang daw. Pati na lang sila rin po. Ayun na, tinitingnan niyo lang ako eh. Oo nga eh. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 6. And yung girl na lang si Scarlett. Tsaka yung isa pang girl. Then yung 4 na boys. Si Dennis, combine na lang to combine. Okay, si Vincent, Dennis, at saka si... What we're going to make the word. Very easy kasi I always and almost have only 5 or at the maximum 5, this is 3-letter word. 3-letter word. So pag sinabi kong this is the word or this what word it is, you only have to lift the letters up para mabasa ko ng audience natin. Si Mami po dyan, Mami will going to the award natin na, no? With the same day po. Sino po nauna, sila po ang place for, okay? Okay na po yan. Naintindihan, okay? And, before that, Scarlett team, are you ready? Yes! The name of the Vincent team, are you ready? Yes! For our first word. Listen, you have to lift the letters up, tapos facing the audience. You don't have to face with me, ha? Kasi si Ma'am po doon ang titingin kung sino yung tamang, ano. I'll be asking 5 words, then whoever think got the first 3 correct answer will go into it. Okay? Get it back to your elementary words. And for the kids naman, remember your words. Okay? First word is Captain Chicken is looking for a small insect whose name consists of 3 letters. Well, it loves sugar and it makes us itchy when it bites us. What is Captain Chicken looking for? 3-letter word. Ready, go! No, you stay with your name. You stay with the line. Okay? Forget it, forget it. Okay, sorry. I think the Vincent team got it. They got 1 point now. Okay, dapat ano rin natin, we will have to be smart and wait. Bilisan lang natin, ha? Okay, for our second word. Another 3-letter word. Remember, another 3-letter word. If the first man was Adam, who was our first woman? Who got it? We got it again! Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations. Vincent team got 2 points. And how about our Scarlet team? Okay, what are you doing there, guys? I hope you're not sleeping. Okay, you're just lying down. Wake up, wake up, wake up! You have to fight the 10 words. Okay. Another word. This is a 3-letter word again. 3-letter word, very easy. Okay. Very good, ang galing, You just only have to remember where is the date place, This is the number that follows 9 and comes before 11. What is it? Okay, he got it. He got it. Okay, thank you very much. He got it. Thank you very much. Scarlett, you got it. So, ang point natin is 2-1. 2-1. Dapat humabol po muna kayo. Humabol muna kayo, ma'am. Okay. Our fourth word. Okay, our fourth word is ano yung last question ko? If the first man Vincent Tim, thank you very much for joining. Actually, you've done nothing. Thank you very much. Anyway, thank you very much and congratulations, Vincent. Okay, thank you very much. Ken, okay. Vincent, thank you very much. Dennis. And Mom, dali na po, Thank you very much. Okay, meron na ako kasi silang iuwi. Ayan, yung kids natin. Get ready for our pavilion and palayo. Ready? Kids! Kids, are you ready? Kids, are you ready? No, it's not the kids ready. It's the mommies there. Okay, anyway. Wait. We just have to ask. Wait, sandali. We just have to ask our birthday boy to get one first. Okay, it's the birthday boy who's going to get one first, okay? Come on, get one. And if you're ready, okay? Ayun, wala na. Isang pagsakan na, wala na agad, ha? Ayun, meron pa, okay. Sige na siya. Thank you very much. Ready? Kids, are you ready? Huwag kayong lumapit agad, huwag kayong lumapit. Just wait, sapat natin gamayin muna, okay? Ready? Okay, isang bagsakan din lang, wala na agad, ha? Okay, this time I'd like to have kids remember all I'm going to say happy birthday, Ryan. Okay, start with Vincent.
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. And
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Ryan, thank you very much, Mikey. Very good. It's nice of you, huh?
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Bakit ako nito thank you? Dapat si Marcel. Come on here. Si Benson. Benson, sabihin mo, happy birthday, Ryan.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Thank you.
Ayan, okay na. And you get one. Benson, Erica.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Thank you. Happy birthday, Ryan. Thank you.
Ryan.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Thank you, Brian. Happy birthday, Ryan. Thank you, Charlie. Happy birthday, Ryan. Thank you, Marjorie. Happy birthday, Ryan. Thank you, Jonathan. Happy birthday, Ryan. Thank you, Ken. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday, JJ.
Oh, that's nice of you, JJ. Ayan. Happy birthday, Ryan.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Thank you,
Okay, sino pa yung gusto kumuha dyan? So, may gusto na. Okay, sige, dito na lang po tayo. One line pa rin dito tayo.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Tito Sally.
Kuya. Sino pa?
Happy birthday, Ryan!
Okay, yung dalawang...
Ryan!
Simong looks familiar, ah. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Ryan!
Okay, thank you very much. And for our few words, we'll just give a time for our mommy to thank you guys there. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you for attending the party of my baby.
Ulitin po natin, ma'am, hindi more clear, okay?
Thank you very much sa lahat ng matay ng birthday party namin.
How would you like to give a round of applause sa ating family? Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, sir. And in behalf of Shakey's Whimsyland, nagpapasalamat kami especially sa parents na dito napili nila ang Shakey's Whimsyland para sa first birthday ng first baby nila. Well, watch out, baka magkaroon pa ng pangalawa yan. Okay, thank you very much. Good evening, and we just hope nag-enjoy ka sa party. Thank you very much.
That is right.